video, we will look at dimensional analysis. Sometimes we need a chain of conversions instead of a single step. Dimensional analysis is a method that helps organize those conversions so that the units guide the work. The big idea is this. We multiply by carefully chosen fractions that are equal to 1, so that the unwanted units cancel and the desired units remain. Let's try this example. We have 25 meters, and we want to convert this to yards. And to do this, we have that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. We will need several steps. Let's first convert the meters to centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We're given 25 meters, and in order for things to cancel, we'll need meters to be on the bottom of the fraction. That'll put centimeters on the top. So we have 100 centimeters and 1 meter. The units cancel nicely. 25 times 100 is 2,500 centimeters. Next, we're going to convert to inches. We know that 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. We put the centimeters on the bottom because those are the units we want to cancel. That gives us approximately 984.25 inches. Now that we have inches, we can start converting to feet. We want to cancel the inch unit, so I'll put it on the denominator and feet on the top. 1 foot is 12 inches. When we work that out, we get about 82.02 feet, since our inches cancel. And finally, we can convert to yards. We have 82.02 feet, and we want our foot unit to cancel. So I'll put feet on the bottom and yards on the top. 1 yard is 3 feet. So we need to divide by 3. When we do, we get approximately 27.34 yards. While I did this in several individual steps, we could have also done it as one big step. All that matters is that at each step, the appropriate units cancel and we are left with yards. That is the real strength of dimensional analysis. The units help us see whether this setup makes sense. If the units do not cancel the way we want, something is wrong. Now, let's repeat this for another example. We have 1 mile, and we want to convert this to kilometers. Once again, we're going to use the fact that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. And this time, we'll build it in a chain. We start with 1 mile. We want miles to cancel, and so we can put feet on the top. 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Now my miles units cancel, and I'm at feet. We want to go from feet to inches, and there are 12 inches in 1 foot. Now my feet unit cancel, and I am in inches. From there, we can use the conversion that we're given. In particular, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. We put inches on the bottom so that our units cancel. After centimeters, we can go to meters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So now our centimeters cancel, and we have one final conversion. We need to move from meters to kilometers. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So now my meters units cancel, and kilometer is the only unit I'm left with. The units cancel step by step. Miles cancel, feet cancels, inches cancel, centimeters cancel, meters cancel, and we're left with kilometers. Once we work all of this out, we get about 1.61 kilometers. Dimensional analysis is especially helpful because it reduces guesswork. Instead of asking yourself over and over whether to multiply or divide, you let the unit relationships determine the setup. For future elementary teachers, this method is also a nice reminder that mathematical procedures can have structure and logic. Even if your students are not ready for formal dimensional analysis, you can still build the habits behind it. Track units, think about relationships, and ask whether the answer is reasonable. You are building strong mathematical habits here, and that matters. Keep going. In the next video, we will look at why area and volume conversions require extra care.